Scrambled Egg Breakfast Fajitas. Ingredients. For the veggies: 1 onion, sliced. 1 red pepper, cored and sliced. 1 green pepper, cored and sliced. 1 small jalapeno, diced, optional. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. Half a teaspoon cumin. 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. 1/8 of a teaspoon cayenne pepper. For the eggs: 6 eggs. 2 tablespoons milk. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon oregano. Half a teaspoon parsley. Half a teaspoon salt. Putting it all together: 12 6-inch corn tortillas. 3/4 cheddar cheese, shredded or cotija. Salsa and sour cream to serve. Instructions. For the veggies: in a medium, non-stick skillet, sauté onion slices with 2 tablespoons water over medium-high heat until they begin to soften slightly, 2 to 3 minutes. Add peppers, jalapeno, chili powder, paprika, salt, cumin, and cayenne. Mix well. Add a few Tbsp of water if necessary to keep the vegetables from sticking. Heat for 2–3 minutes, until the peppers are heated through, but still crisp. Remove veggies from the pan into a covered serving dish. For the eggs: in a medium bowl, beat together eggs, milk, onion powder, oregano, parsley, and salt. Reduce your heat to medium and add eggs to the now empty skillet used for cooking the peppers. Stir the eggs constantly until they were cooked through and no moisture remains, 1 to 2 minutes. Remove eggs from the pan into a covered serving dish. Putting it all together. To serve, top each tortilla with pepper mixture, eggs, and cheese. Add salsa and sour cream if desired.